I got something for the trip to damn Philadelphia.
What'd you get?
Man, damn, you gonna like this, boy. I bought a thermos, man, put my coffee in.
A thermos for what?
To put my coffee in for the trip.
Okay, we have to discuss this trip up to Philadelphia, Pop.
Yeah, we need to talk about it. We gotta figure, right?
Yep.
And you go maps and you draw what?
We don't need to drive.
What about snow?
We don't need to.
Damn, play ball and I'm in it.
I don't care
No, what? No, what?
I'm flying! I'm not dealing with this no more.
I am not flying.
I've already bought the tickets.
What?
We're flying to Philadelphia.
Oh hell no!
That's
Oh hell no! Whoa! Oh hell no! Michael, no!
I almost spent $1,000 on tickets. That's all there is to it, or you're not, dude.
Michael, I am not.
Okay, dude, you need to chill out sometimes. You're flying.
You!
Okay, calm the hell down. It's just a plane.
Get your money back, Michael.
You want to go to the Royal Rumble?
Yeah!
Then you're flying, or you're not going. Okay, go. No, come on!
I ain't flying! You understand me? Damn it!
Enough. Don't do anything else. I'm scared. Jesus Christ.
Let that goddamn microwave fly.
Yeah.
It just flew, but not me.
Well, we're gonna have to talk about this further.
Yeah, we're gonna have to. We don't talk. It's over.